Hey guys, in this video I will give an in-depth comparison about the two software tools Typedream versus Squarespace. Both of them are great website builder tools and I will give an in-depth comparison which software is better. So we are going to answer this question. Um, but first of all, I want to say there is no specific software better. It all comes down on your needs. So yeah, if you have big plans, big goals, big dreams, you want to build the next multinational, maybe that software is better. But if you just want to build a little site for your side hustle, maybe that one is better. So it all comes down on your needs. So I'm just gonna give you all the features, all the technical details, pricing, etc., and you can give your own conclusion to that. So first, let's look at the features of the softwares. Right. So first of all, the auto update. Typedream as well as Squarespace do not offer auto update. So sometimes softwares require a lot of updates because there are a lot of bugs in the software, and it can be quite annoying that you need to manual update that all of the time. So keep that in mind when choosing for the software. So content import export, they both have it, as well as drag and drop and landing pages. Drag and drop is very easy, so you can just drop in, for example, text or an image. You can easily import it into your website. That's very cool. Landing pages, yeah, as well. They also have that. Now, this one is very important if you really want to scale your business, if you really want to grow. I think a newsletter is a must. So Squarespace offers a newsletter management option. Typedream does not. So keep that in mind. You can of course use external tools such as Behave, ActiveCampaign, ConvertKit, etc. But keep in mind that Typedream does not offer that on their own or in their own software. Now let's look at the online booking system. So both Typedream and Squarespace offer an online booking system, which is very nice. They also offer an online store builder as well as SEO management. If you want to, grow your blog, for example, SEO management is a must, of course. And if you want to sell products on your store, online products, digital products, or physical products, it doesn't matter because it's all possible in Typedream as well as Squarespace. So surveys, they are not possible with a Typedream. Now, if you want to get real, human data from your visitors, from your clients, from your, the people that are on your site, you can implement a survey to your, for example, blog post, but that is sadly not possible in Typedream. So keep that in mind if that is a really, a must for you. Now, what you see is what you get editor. Now, Typedream does not really have a what you see is what you get editor. Squarespace does, but still, it's very easy to edit the website within Typedream. So it's not like what you see is what you get, but it's a bit different, but it's still very easy. So it doesn't actually matter that much. But yes, it's a bit easier to edit within Squarespace or to make a website within Squarespace, but it can get more complex as well. So it's a bit of a difficult one. So now let's look at the technical details, right? So access monitoring, so 24/7 live rep. Typedream does not offer that. Squarespace does offer that. Business hours, they both don't offer that. Online, yes, they do. So the contact number or address, so San Francisco is located, or Typedream is located in San Francisco, Squarespace in New York, just for your interest, for your information. Now, IPA. So this one is quite important if you really have big plans to scale your business, to scale your website. I think it's a must to have an IPA or to get access to an IPA because it can become very handy in the future. So Typedream does not offer an IPA just yet, but Squarespace does. But yeah, keep in mind that it can be quite useful to have access to an IPA in the future. So the deployment SaaS web and cloud, both Typedream and Squarespace offer that. Squarespace offers deployment for Android as well as iOS. Typedream does not, and both Typedream and Squarespace do not offer deployment for Windows, BlackBerry, and it's also not installed on Windows and Mac. Now, what type of customers can go or yeah, can go to the software. So individuals can go to Typedream. So Squarespace is not really for individuals; it's more for businesses. So if you are literally an individual, you just want to build a site for your blog, for your portfolio, maybe definitely go to Typedream. Freelancers can go to Typedream as well as Squarespace. I would rather choose another yeah, website builder software. Large enterprises, they both cannot go to the software because they do not offer the needs that a large enterprise yeah, needs. So medium businesses as well as small businesses can go to Typedream and Squarespace. That is not a problem. So now let's look at the pricing of both softwares. All right, so the pricing model, they or Typedream does offer a freemium plan. So freemium is kind of like you can just build your site completely from scratch. You can launch it even. You can publish it only with a branded domain. So you can use a lot of features for free. But if you want a bit more features, you need to upgrade to premium. All right, Squarespace does not offer that because you need a free trial, so you can get access to all of the features that Squarespace offers. But it's a free trial, so you will pay, uh, you know, after your free trial ended. Alright, both Typedream and Squarespace do not offer a one-time license, and they are both, subscription. They both offer a subscription pricing model, and Typedream is not quotation based, but Squarespace is. So basically, when you have an X amount of visitors, of monthly customers on your website, you will pay, yeah, on how much visitors or clients or yeah, customers you will get on that website. So based on that, on the amount of people you pay. All right. So now let's look at the integrations. I think that's quite important to have integrations to your websites so you can get even more data and get even more things. Yeah, more data, more how to say, like analytics out of your website. All right, so Typedream does not offer any integration, which is quite annoying. So keep that in mind. If you really want integrations, it's important to yeah, uh, to choose for Squarespace because Typedream does not offer them yet. Maybe in the future, but not for now. So Squarespace offers three integrations, and those are Google Analytics, which is really nice. You can see all of analytics, very in-depth analytics with Google Analytics. So that's really nice, as well as Mailchimp, so for email marketing, and Xero. So now let's look at the individual comparison. All right. So the technical details of Typedream, the support is online, customer type is individual, the individual small businesses and medium businesses. RPA is sadly not available. The location is located in San Francisco. Deployment is SaaS web and cloud. Official website is typedream.com, and the category is website builder software. All right, now let's look at the Squarespace technical details. So the support is 24/7 live rep, online, customer type, medium businesses, and small businesses. So sadly not for individuals, or you really need to have a big budget. Yeah, like that. All right. Now the IPA is available. That's really nice. The location is located in New York. Deployment is SaaS web cloud, mobile and Android. Category is website builder software and e-commerce software. So you can really build your own site from that. And the official website is squarespace.com. Now let's look at the Typedream pricing. So this is when you pay monthly. So like I said in the beginning, you can launch your site for free when you use when you oh, someone is calling me. All right, sorry for that, but basically you can just choose a free plan. You can build unlimited pages, but only one publishable branded page. So when you decide to upgrade to the launch plan, you pay $15 per month, build monthly, and you get as well as a free plan, unlimited publishable pages. But or you can build unlimited pages, but or you can publish all of them. So or you also get a custom domain, team collaboration, which is quite nice, and you get what is quite important, SEO and metadata, as well as code injection. All right, that's when you pay monthly. And now let's look at the pricing of Squarespace. So this is as well as Typedream when you pay monthly. So you can choose the personal plan for 16 bucks per month. You can upgrade to business, basic commerce, and advanced commerce. You get a lot of yeah, advantages when you the higher the plan, of course. So you can just pause the video, take a screenshot if you want, and analyze it. All right, and this is when you pay yearly with Typedream. As you can see, it's instead of $15 per month, it is $12 per month. So you save $3 per month, but you get the same features. All right, and this is when you pay yearly with Squarespace. You also save a bunch of dollars monthly. So yeah, you can decide it for yourself. All right, and now let's look at the conclusion. So remember what I said in the beginning. It all comes down on your needs. So decide which platform or which software you want to use based on your needs. So Typedream or Squarespace. If you have really big plans and goals with your business, you really want to scale it, then choose Squarespace. But if you want to build a website for your side hustle or small businesses and you don't have to have that much experience in building websites, then choose Typedream. If you want to get started with Typedream or Squarespace, please check out the link in the description. Thanks for watching.